Good morning, friends. So this is first video in projection of planes. So last videos we discussed the projection of straight lines, different positions, and today we go for basics of projection of planes. So the plane means it is a plane. When compared with length and breadth, the thickness is very small. The thickness is very small. So you can take any example. So here, see this example. Plane means, suppose this is a plane. So when you compare with length and breadth, the thickness is very less. So here we are neglecting thickness. Here we are neglecting thickness. So in planes, we are neglecting thickness. So compare with the previous lines, we have only one length. A to B, length of the line is there. Suppose the length of the line is A to B. 50 mm or 40 mm is there. So only one length is there. But if you see here, we are moving one length to two lengths. Length and breadth. So we are not considering this thickness. If you consider this thickness, it comes under three-dimensional view, and we can call it as solid. Okay. So we are discussing about planes. So in planes, we are neglecting thickness. So that is planes. So it may be triangular plane, or it may be square plane, or it may be rectangular plane, or it may be rhombus, or pentagonal plane, hexagonal plane, or we can go for heptagonal plane, octagonal plane, like that we can go, and circle and ellipse. Okay. So these are the few examples for planes. So what we discussed in the lines, same manner, here also we have different positions of the lines. So you can see here, so first condition is the plane is parallel to HP. The condition is the plane is parallel to HP. And second position is the plane is parallel to VP. Parallel to VP means vertical plane. And here the condition is plane is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So in lines, there is a possible of the line is parallel to both the planes. But straight line is parallel to both the planes. But in planes, that is not possible, parallel to both the planes. Only perpendicular to both the planes is possible. So that is the difference between lines and planes. So in lines, the line is parallel to both the planes. So when the line is parallel to both the planes, from front view full length is visible, and from top view full length is visible. Okay. But in the planes, it is possible only perpendicular. So that I will show the position. And next one is inclined to HP. So inclined to horizontal plane. Inclined to vertical plane. So angle making with HP and angle making with VP. That is meaning of it is. And here inclined to both the planes. Angle making with HP and VP. So now we will see the different positions of the plane. Okay. So assume that this is the plane. Either square plane, or we can call it as rectangular plane. Square plane or rectangular plane. So this is the plane. Now the plane is, if you keep like that, it is parallel to VP. So assume that here the ground is there, it is horizontal plane. So if you keep the plane is parallel to HP, means horizontal plane, the position is like that. So when the plane is parallel, it is not on HP. It is parallel to HP. So the plane is parallel to HP means the full length of the view is visible. The total view plane, full view is visible from top view. So when the plane is parallel to HP, the full view is visible from front to top view. The full view is visible from top view. Okay. So in examination, while studying the question itself, suppose the plane is any plane, suppose rectangular plane, square plane, triangular plane, pentagonal, whatever it may be. The plane is parallel to HP means the full view is visible from top view. And in the same manner, the plane is parallel to VP. VP means this board, vertical plane. So the plane is parallel to VP means it is the full view is visible from front view. It is visible from front view. Okay. So when the plane is parallel to VP, the full view is visible from front view. So while studying the question, you must get the idea. When the plane is parallel to VP, the full view is visible from front view. So in planes, the miracle is from which view you are getting full view, that you have to go for first, whether front view or top view. Okay. Suppose from the front view you are getting full view, first you go for front view. If you are getting full view from top view, first you go for top view. Okay. Now the plane is, third condition is the plane is perpendicular to both the planes. So this is parallel to VP and this is parallel to HP. Okay. Now the perpendicular to both the planes means if you keep like that, this plane is perpendicular to both the planes. Why? Because if you extend this end, these two ends, it is passing through vertical plane, and if you extend these two ends, it is passing through horizontal planes. The impinge is falling on horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. That's why we are calling it is perpendicular to both the planes. Okay. When the plane is perpendicular to both the planes, the full view is not visible from top view as well as from front view. So that is the view of inclined to both the planes. So when the plane is inclined to both the planes, so from front view line is visible and from top view also line is visible. If you want to full view, you must go for side view. So here another view is adding. If you want side view, when the plane is perpendicular to both the planes, the full view is visible from side view. So you can write here side view. Okay. From side view you will get full view. Or you can directly go for front view line and top view line when the plane is inclined to both the planes. And next condition, fourth condition is inclined to HP. So we know that inclined to HP means in the same manner. Suppose here three conditions are there. When we are going for individual topics, then I will cover all the positions. But first we see here the plane, how the inclined is there. Suppose the plane is parallel to VP. Okay, it is inclined to HP means it is making angle with HP. The plane is moving away from the horizontal plane like that. So this angle is called angle making with HP. Angle making with HP. So which view is visible from front view? Suppose it is making angle with HP means it is visible from front view. It is visible from front view. The meaning of it is angle making with HP. So when the plane is inclined with HP, either the surface is making or one of the side is making. That I will give clear information later. But when the surface is making or and the line is making, if it is making angle with HP means it is visible from front view. That angle is visible from front view. In the same manner, the plane is making angle with VP. So it is moving away from the vertical plane. Away from the vertical plane. This angle is called theta, angle making with VP. It is visible from top view. It is visible from top view. So when the plane is inclined to VP, the full view or theta is visible from top view. Theta is visible from top view. And inclined to both the planes, we know already the line is making angle with HP and as well as angle with VP. Okay. This is angle making with HP and this is angle making with VP. So both, if you add these two, you will get inclined to both the planes. Okay. Inclined to both the planes. So when the plane is inclined to both the planes, it is visible from front view as well as top view. Okay. So these are the 6 conditions we are going to discuss in this inclined to in this planes. So these are the 6 positions. So from next video we will go for first topic parallel to HP, and that we will see clearly what are the different possible positions are there, and how to answer, how to project or how to draw the figures front view and top view of planes. Okay, we will take different examples and we will discuss. And this is regarding basics of projection of planes. Okay, so I think it is clear to you, and wait for next video. If you have any doubts, please give me a comment form, and please support my video, subscribe and share the video. Okay, and give me a like. Thank you for your support. Thanks once again.